Before we start, please remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you. Today, we're going to focus on grounding, reconnecting with the energy of the earth to find stability, peace, and balance within. Inhale deeply, filling your body with fresh energy, and exhale, releasing any tension or stress. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position. You can sit with your feet flat on the floor or cross-legged, whatever feels best for you. Rest your hands gently in your lap, palms facing upward to receive energy. Close your eyes and take a deep, cleansing breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Feel the rhythm of your breath, steady and calm. As you breathe, allow yourself to settle into this moment. Let's do that 2 more times. Inhale and exhale. Once more, inhale and exhale. Now, I want you to imagine a warm golden light above you. This light represents peace, love, and grounding energy. As it begins to flow down, feel it touching the crown of your head, spreading warmth and calm throughout your body. Let this light move gently down your neck and shoulders, relaxing every muscle. Feel it flowing through your arms, your chest, and your stomach, filling you with a sense of balance and stability. Now visualize this light continuing down through your legs, past your knees, and into your feet. Imagine it moving through the soles of your feet and connecting to the earth below you. Picture strong, vibrant roots growing from your feet. These roots reach deep into the earth, anchoring you to the ground. Feel the stability and strength of these roots, keeping you safe, steady, and supported. Take a moment to notice the energy of the earth beneath you. It is ancient, wise, and nurturing. Imagine this energy flowing up through your roots, entering your body, and mixing with the golden light within you. Together, they create a harmonious balance, grounding and energizing you. If any worries or distractions arise, imagine them flowing down through your roots and being absorbed by the earth. The earth knows how to transform this energy into something new. Release it, knowing that you are supported and held. Now, bring your attention back to your breath. Feel it flowing smoothly, naturally, and calmly. Inhale the grounding energy of the earth and exhale any remaining tension. Inhale stability and peace. and exhale stress. Take a moment to thank yourself for this time of grounding and connection. Know that you can return to this place of stability and peace whenever you need it. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the room around you. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Feeling your body in this present moment, take one more deep breath in and exhale. When you're ready, open your eyes. Thank you for allowing me to guide you today. May your energy remain grounded and balanced as you move through your day. Hi, beautiful souls. I just want to take a moment to say thank you. Thank you for being here, for your love, your support, and your energy. This channel wouldn't be what it is without you, and I'm so grateful to have you as part of this amazing community. If you're enjoying the content, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments below, and of course, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your likes, comments, and subscriptions really help me grow this space so we can keep spreading positivity, healing, and spiritual alignment together. Thank you again for being on this journey with me. Sending you all so much love and light, and I'll see you in the next video.